Hello all, I welcome each and every one of you to another start in our academy. That is, this particular course is mainly based on building embedded and IoT applications using ESP IDF. So this ESP IDF is mainly focused on building IoT applications. The name itself states that it is IoT development firmware package. So this is directly from the Espressive vendor itself for developing the IoT applications. So the basic core language that we are going to use for developing the applications is C language. We are not going to use Python or any other language. We are just going to use the Espressive IDE. Along with that, we are just going to build the projects in C programming language. And in this particular video, this is a starting introduction video where we are just going to discuss in detail about the hardware and software requirements for this particular course throughout this course. And the hardware that I'm going to use throughout this course is this Room32. So this is having an inbuilt BLE as well as Wi-Fi in it, and this is an SoC. So you can get this SoC in online stores or in a local store. Just search like ESP32 Room or Room32. You will get the same, no problem. Whatever you are searching like this, you can search and buy this. And among that, if you go to the Espressive website, you can find n number of devices. You can use any one of the device for this particular course. Or if you are having any other ESP32 development board, you can use that. That has no problem with that. And in addition to this particular hardware, we are just going to use several small components like RGB LED, DST11 sensor, and so on. So I will be using an I2C device, SPI device, serial protocol based device, ADC module such as vibration sensor in this particular course. So that's on all are add-ons for you in this particular course, but I cannot state those components because you can use any other alternative component if you are having anything in your hand. You don't want to buy the exact component. I will tell you the basic methodology for interfacing those components in this particular course from scratch. So you don't want to buy the exact component. If you have some components, if you are already an electronic hobbyist, you would have some components, you can manage with that. Else I will tell few alternatives in upcoming lectures that you can buy. So this is the main core board that you want. And in addition to that, the software requirements are very simple. I will teach you how you can surf to the internet and find these two softwares. First is the integrated development environment, in which we are going to develop the C language code for our IoT applications for ESP3266. So that Eclipse IDE, Espressive IDE, we are just going to download from their own website. And in addition to that, we are just going to install the toolchain ESP IDF. That will be also downloaded as part of that, and we will install that. So these two things we will see in the next upcoming video, that is consequent video of this particular video. You will watch that video. So we will discuss in detail about downloading and installing these two softwares to our Windows PC in the next upcoming video. So for now, just keep in mind that we are just going to use this particular hardware and these two softwares. This also supports Linux and Mac. Don't worry about the OS. I will show you how to download for Windows. In a similar way, you can download and install for your Mac or Linux. And in addition to that, this ESP IDF will help you to creating CMAC IDF project, ESP launch target, compiling the project, flashing the project, debugging the project, and viewing the serial output in its own terminal. So all these features are available in Eclipse IDE, that is Espressive IDE, Integrated Development Environment. And using the ESP IDF toolchain, we will be programming the ESP language, and we will be developing the IoT applications. I hope you got some idea about the overview of what you are going to learn throughout this course. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.